Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kimia Favorite Yada y'all. Alright y'all, so today's video is a airbrush tutorial and I'm not even gonna hold y'all. This is a very short video because there's really nothing to it. Airbrush, I don't know. There's not really much to tell. It's one of those things where you kind of got to do it. You know what I mean? Like you got to do it and then kind of like feel the pressure for yourself and then kind of like play around with it. So it's something I could teach a little bit more in person. So I don't know. Maybe if I have a longer video, then I can go into more detail. But this video really wasn't like this is not the video for you guys to really learn how to do airbrush, but it is a very beautiful look and I absolutely love the outcome. So if y'all want to see that, just keep watching this video. I will tell you though, I did use my Temptu 2.0 airbrush system with the standard SB40 gun and the AirPod. I did switch between both. And her shade, I want to say, was 3N. So yeah, look how tan that got her looking. Anyways, I'm about to hop out of here, let y'all listen to some music and just enjoy this little beat. Don't forget to subscribe though, and drop me a comment. Let me know if you've ever used airbrush before, if you like it, if you don't like it, your thoughts. And give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos just like this. Until next time, bye. Bridal.